Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen iced coffee. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the cup. Let's draw a curve across here. Then for the ends, let's curve it down, angling it in. Now across, let's add another curve that's slightly longer for the top of the sleeve. And again, let's curve it down with a slight angle on both sides. And now let's connect these at the bottom with a curve. Now underneath, let's step in. Let's follow that same angle as the one above the sleeve. And let's do that on the right side as well. And now let's connect them at the bottom with the curve. Next, let's move in and draw the inside layer of the cup. Inside, let's draw a curve at the top. Then let's angle it down on both sides. Next, let's move down to the bottom section and let's continue those lines down like this. And then a curve at the bottom to connect the lines. Next, let's move in and draw the ice cubes. Let's start with a square shape up, an angled one on the right, and an angled one at the bottom here. And that's it for the cup. Let's move up and draw the whipped cream next. From the top left, let's draw an S-shaped curve up like this. Then let's follow that same curve back down. And then finish it off on the right side with a curve down to the cup. Next, on the top right, let's add the straw. Let's start with 2 angles up, and then a curve at the end. And that's it for the drink. Next, let's add Pusheen popping out of the top left. Let's start with an angle for the top of the head, then curve it up and down, and the same on the right. Now let's move in and draw the face. From the top of the head, let's draw a curve down and back up. Now the same on the right and on the left. Now underneath, let's draw the mouth with 2 curves. Then 2 circles for the eyes. And then color both eyes in black. And lastly, on both cheeks, let's draw 2 lines for the whiskers. And that's it for this Pusheen iced coffee. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!